In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log records such as calls, notes, emails, or meetings in HubSpot. This process is crucial for maintaining up-to-date and accurate records, ensuring you have all necessary interactions at your fingertips. Let's dive in. First off, we'll start by guiding you to the trial guide in HubSpot. By accessing this section, you're entering a dedicated environment designed for practice and learning, enabling you to experiment without affecting your live data. It's a perfect playground to familiarize yourself with the platform's functionalities. Once you're in the guide section, you'll want to look for the CRM option on your dashboard. Clicking here is where all the magic starts. It's in the CRM that you manage relationships and interactions with potential or current customers. This central hub is essential whether you're tracking sales, customer interactions, or the effectiveness of different sales strategies. The next step is to click on Contacts within the CRM. The Contacts tab is where you organize every individual's data within your network. Think of it as a digital Rolodex, where each contact tells a story about their interactions with your company. It's a crucial element for knowing your leads and customers better. Then, to continue our tutorial, search for a sample contact. In this guide, we'll be selecting Brian Halligan. Now, while this is just an example, choosing any contact will follow the same steps. Accessing a specific contact allows you to take a closer look at their profile summary, including their activity timeline, details, deals, and even any recent communications. With the contact's profile open, your next move is to click on More. It might be tempting to skip over this, but this is where you'll find a variety of additional options that are key to enhancing your contact management experience. Here, you gain access to customized actions beyond the basic information at a glance. From the More Options menu, click on Log an Email. Logging manual records like emails is all about capturing those important conversations you've had with your contacts, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. While HubSpot can automatically track emails sent through integrated email accounts, manually logging allows you to register those messages that were sent outside of HubSpot's system. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manually log a record in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll maintain a comprehensive view of your interactions, giving you the confidence that you'll have all relevant data ready when you need it. Remember, keeping meticulous records not only helps your business streamline its operations, but also bolsters relationships with clients, providing them with a more personalized, informed, and responsive experience. Happy logging!